kidding. I got like 3 videos on YouTube getting sexual. Brad Sheila. Fucking waxing the truck. Look at him. Wax. Look at him.
Clean in the bump. Clean it. Clean that car.
I can't see.
Hey, look at that fireball.
He's about to fall out and shit, dog. Let him fall out. Sheila, get that shit, bro. Get that. Go. Get it.
Get sexual. Get sexual. Get sexual. That ain't no music, man.
World star. World star. That shit. Sheila is going on world star, motherfucker.
Can't say world star and then big old world star. Oh, everybody's all attention's up to Sheila right now.
Fuck it, dude. Look at him. Keep it going. Keep it going, world star, motherfucker. Look at him. He don't give a fuck, does he? He don't give a fuck. Look at him, bro.
You have to do your own moves right now.
Get out of my shit. Ah, get low! Get low!